No. Yeah. They don't like that, so I'm gonna keep doing it now. Hey, what's up? I'm Tron Moses at Tron Moses Media, and today we're not shooting outside. We're actually shooting in the living room. So stay tuned. After this intro, we're gonna take a couple of headshots. All right, so like I said, we're taking a couple of headshots in the house. Now understand, I'm not in the studio. I'm actually in a tight living room. This is my wife in our living room. Say hi to them, Kim. It's my beautiful wife, Kim. And today we're taking shots in this living room, and it is really tight. And right above her, I have, and this is my it's my light stand right here. On a boom arm, right above her, I have the i6T. And there's no need to telling y'all the power yet, because I haven't done nothing yet. We haven't determined the power yet. We haven't done camera settings yet. We haven't done none of that yet. All right, so we got the i6T above her in a 32-inch softbox. All right, and let's get started. All right, so when I'm doing any type of photo shoot, let me see. Let me get this like I want it first. I'm doing any type of photo shoot. The first thing I do is I turn my light all the way down. And understand in photography that turning your light down means turning it up. One would be up. One would be up in the photography world, and 128 would be down. 128 wouldn't be up. So right now I have it on 128, and we're gonna start from there. So what I want to do is, since we're shooting inside, I won't shoot like I normally shoot. I normally shoot at 2.0 or 2.2. But since we shooting inside, and I don't need a blurry background because we shooting inside, I'm gonna go for f8 to get a sharper image. Everything gonna be sharp. So let me get this to f8. Or F7, and I never do auto white balance. I used to do auto white balance, but now I like setting my white balance myself. So let me turn my light off. Okay, I'm going to, all right now I'm at F8. So that means I'm gonna need a lot of power to hit her since I'm at F8. And also, I want to mess with my focus real quick. My eye autofocus. Okay. All right, now, so right now I'm at F8. Let me change my shutter speed. My ISO is at 50. I got my shutter speed to 80. It's on 80 right now. And like I said, the i6T is at 128. So let's take a shot. Matter of fact, before we take a shot. Oh, now I'm shooting with the Sony a7R III and Sigma 105 2.8 art. This is a sharp lens. It's a macro lens, but you can use it for more than macro. All right, here we go. All right, so that's giving me a complete black screen. So what I gotta do is pump up pump this up, and I'm gonna go past 164. I'm gonna go to 32. Went past 64. Now I'm seeing her face a little bit. So I gotta hit that, turn that power up even more. 16, I'm going past 16, and I went to 8. We're gonna get there. All right, now I'm seeing her face real good. Now, if we got to, we'll turn it down, because being we in the house in one spot and we not really trying to get a background, we don't really have to have it at F8. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that from F8. Even if I go to F6.3, that'll give us a sharp image too. Let me see. Okay. That's good, but not good enough. So we're going down, down, baby. Okay, so we're going to, all right, this is 4. We have 4 now. All right, and that's a sharp image right there. All right, so I think we will work with that. Now, look at the lens. Here we go. And it's grabbing her eye, so the focus is good. Stay just like that. Do not do nothing different. All right, now turn your body that way and face this way. Okay. Oh, so you'll know where we at. We're at 1/4 power. Turn a little more this way. Yeah. Make sure I got her centered. Okay, I like that. And just gonna take a few more like this. And by the way, we're gonna retouch. We're gonna pick a photo from this, maybe a couple of photos from this, and we're gonna retouch them. Only thing is, that will not be on YouTube. That will be on my website. So if you desire to purchase, you can go in there and purchase. All right. So wait, hold up. Turn your head to look that way. Okay, turn it back this way. Wait, no, go back that way. Let me see something. Let me try something like that. Because that could be something too. And also, my wife has some black lenses. I'm gonna go get them. Some black sunglasses. Go get them. All right. Let me see how this looks. All right, now take the glasses off. Wait, let me see them on your head. Let me see them on your head. Let me see. Let me see how they look on your head. Let me see how that look. It might not look good. Take that off. 86 stack. Now turn your head a little more this way. No, a little more this way. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Hold that, don't move. Now, so I'm gonna bring this a little bit closer. That might be a little too close. All right, so I'm right to the tip of her head. Yeah, hold that. And see, so we could see a little bit of those wrinkles on the background, but we're gonna get that out in Photoshop. Turn to the front and do something with the hand. Do something with that. Fold, and do something with the hand. Let's see. No, I don't like that. No, stop with this and do something like yes. That's better. Okay, yeah, I like that. Hold that, hold that. Yep. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a couple of shots of this, y'all, and we done. Let me lift this a little bit because I need a little bit of headroom in case I have to crop the image. I like it. Hold that. Do not move. Hold that. Hey, y'all, so I'm just gonna get a couple more like this and maybe do one more pose and we're gonna wrap it up. Cause I actually have a Zoom meeting for my lighting workshop. Okay, let me get that, make sure I get that eye. You gotta make sure your autofocus is getting the eye. And me, I'm the type of photographer, I don't like taking a shot, taking one pose and then bow, then go to the next pose, bow, then go to the next pose, bow. Because sometimes, you know, this technology, sometimes it'll misfire and then you got a dope, and that happened to me before. I had a dope pose, brought the dope pose home, took it, put it in Photoshop, and it wasn't sharp. The image wasn't sharp. So I couldn't use it. So I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3, and we done. All right, y'all, so I am Tron Moses Media. Now next we're gonna retouch, I'm pick a photo from this batch, we're gonna retouch it, and that's gonna be on my website for sale if y'all wanna get that. But before we get that far, I'm gonna show you right now the finished image. All right, so like I said, I'm Tron Moses Media. Catch you on the next one.